Welcome to Onyx Solutions, where innovation is redefining the future of fashion. A future where creativity moves faster, development becomes smarter, and ideas transform into reality before a single sample is produced. Today, Onyx Solutions proudly announces its strategic partnership with Motion, South Korea's innovative AI-powered 3D fashion technology company. Together, we are bringing a new generation of digital product development solutions to the Indian apparel and fashion industry. This collaboration empowers brands, manufacturers, exporters, buying houses, and educational institutions with advanced digital capabilities. From intelligent 3D garment visualization and virtual prototyping to AI-assisted design workflows and accelerated product development cycles, organizations can reduce sampling costs, improve collaboration, increase speed to market, and embrace a more sustainable future. As the fashion industry accelerates its digital transformation journey, Onyx Solutions and Motion are committed to helping businesses innovate faster, create smarter, and compete globally. One partnership, unlimited possibilities. Unlock the power of AI and 3D technology with Onyx Solutions and Motion. Schedule a live demonstration and see the future of fashion development in action.